Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to activate the alarm on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Alarm is a reminder that is widely used by most people so as not to forget an important agenda. So, to activate the alarm on this device, you can follow the steps. Okay, first of all, please open the clock app on your device. Okay, and then here you can select the alarm and click Add here. Okay, after that, you can set the time you want. So, you can also set the alarm working day you need. After that, in this section, you can add the title of your alarm. Okay, next, here you can set the alarm sound as you wish. After that, you can also activate the alarm vibration. And finally, you can also set the repetition and duration of your alarm here. But if you want to customize the background, you can also set it here. Okay, after finishing, and then click Save. So, your alarm is successfully active. Well, that's the tutorial on how to activate the alarm on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.